Today we are going to start with chapter 9, class 12th, chapter 9, differential equations. So in this, just see here the first screen. I think you must all be very much aware of the topic polynomials, and you can easily recognize what are polynomials and what are not. So that is the basic thing you should know about finding out whether the given differential equation is a differential equation or it is not. So see this, here it is written, we are already familiar with the equations, x square minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0, sin x plus cos x is equal to 0, and x plus y is equal to 7. These all can be considered in the polynomials. But now let's see equation number 4, x dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. In equation 1, 2, 3, these are all independent or dependent variable, but equation number 4 involves variables as well as derivatives of the dependent variable y with respect to the independent variable x. Such an equation is called differential equation. See here, this is a derivative of this function of y function with respect to x. So we can easily say that it is a proper differential equation. In general, an equation involving derivative of the dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. This is a proper definition which everybody should remember. See here, this is a point we were already told in class 11th also, that dy by dx can also be denoted by y dash, d2y by dx square can be denoted by y double dash, and d3y by dx cube can be denoted as y triple dash. If these symbols come, you should be able to easily recognize that actually what does it mean. If at all we are written yn, so it is the nth derivative, means dny upon dx to the power n. Now, order of a differential equation. Our first main topic is order of a differential equation. What does the order of a differential equation mean? Order of a differential equation is defined as the order of the highest order derivative of the dependent variable with respect to the independent variable involved in the given differential equation. Consider the following differential equation. Like, see this, we'll see 2, 3 equations, then we'll tell you what does that order mean, how you are going to find it out. Consider the following differential equation. The first one is dy by dx is equal to e to the power of x. Here it is d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0. And third is d3y by dx cube plus x square d2y by dx square whole to the power 3 is equal to 0. Right? Here what is said? Order is defined as the highest order derivative. See in equation number 6, what is the highest order derivative? That is 1. So for equation number 6, the order becomes 1. Second, see, here it is the second derivative. Highest order becomes 2. So the order of this equation number 7 is 2. And similarly for equation number 8 is 3, because the maximum power of the derivative, the highest order derivative, went to 3. So the order of equation number 6 is 1, equation number 7 is 2, and equation number 8 is 3. Now the next topic is degree of a differential equation. This is a very important topic. Here the students make most of the mistake. The question only comes for maximum 1 mark, finding out the order and the degree of the given differential equation. Then also it matters. So what does a degree mean? To study the degree of a differential equation, the key point is that the differential equation must be a polynomial equation in derivatives, that is y dash, y double dash, y triple dash, etc. Consider the following differential equations. Like, just see the first differential equation, that is equation number 9. Observe it very clearly. And see for equation number 10, dy by dx whole square plus dy by dx minus sine square y is equal to this. This is also a proper differential equation. See for equation number 11, what is given here? Dy by dx plus sine of dy by dx is equal to 0. We observe that equation 9 is a polynomial equation in y triple dash, y double dash, and y dash. Equation 10 is a polynomial equation in y dash, not a polynomial in y though. Degree of such differential equation can be defined. See for equation number 9 and equation number 10, you can easily tell the degree. But equation number 11 is not a polynomial equation in y dash, and degree of such a differential equation cannot be defined. If you consider this, if I write this in the form of polynomial and I write it y plus sine y is equal to 0, that will be not a proper polynomial also. So any differential equation, you have to consider it whether if I remove in place of dy by dx as y or x, then whether it will be a polynomial or not. If the answer is yes, then it is a proper differential equation. If the answer comes no, then easily you can say that it is not a proper differential equation. So for this equation number 9, you can easily tell that the degree is 3. Equation number 10, the degree comes as 2. By the degree of a differential equation, see the definition we are here. By the degree of a differential equation, when it is a polynomial equation in derivatives, we mean the highest power of the highest order derivative involved in the given differential equation. In view of the above definition, one may observe that differential equations 6, 7, 8 and 9 each are of degree 1. Let me show them. This is your equation number 6. See the power of dy by dx is 1. So the degree is 1. For equation number 7 also, when nothing is written, it means 1 only. So the degree is 1. And for equation number 8 also, this is the highest power and the degree becomes 1. Right? In view of the definition, one may observe the differential equations 6, 7, 8 and 9 each are of degree 1. Here also you can say d3y by dx cube. When nothing you can see here in the form of power, you can easily say that it is with degree 1. In view of the above definition, ये हो गया हमारा degree 1. And for C, equation number 2. Equation number 2, we are having two terms with dy by dx, but the maximum power is 2. So we can say that the degree is 2. While for this equation number 11, you have to write that the degree is not defined since it is not a proper differential equation. And this is a point to be remembered, that order and degree of a differential equation are always positive integers. You cannot say that it is a negative integer. So this is a very important point. Like see, for example, we'll be doing for this exercise here, example number 1. Examples we'll do it and then you can easily understand it. See the example 1. Suppose this is the first equation, dy by dx minus cos x is equal to 0. Is it a proper differential equation? You can tell me that it is a proper differential equation because everything is in the form of a proper polynomial, you can say. So you can easily say what is the order over here? Order is 1 because the maximum derivative which is going to highest order is 1. So its order becomes 1. And nothing is seen above it, so it becomes the degree also 1. Let's see for the second, x y d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx to the power 2 minus y dy by dx is equal to 0. This is also a proper differential equation. But here the maximum derivative is going till 2. So 2 means the order becomes 2. And what is the degree? Just see anything written here above the power. You will be getting the order and degree from the same term. Don't see any other term. From the same term you will be getting the order as well as degree. So here the degree becomes 1 because nothing is written, so means its degree is 1. Now let's see for the third part. Y triple dash plus y square plus e to the power y dash. So here you can easily say that the order is 3. But what about degree? You will not write it 1 because just see it is e to the power y dash. So this is not a proper differential equation. Since it is not a proper differential equation, so the degree you will be saying that it is not defined. Based on this all explanation, you have to do exercise 9.1. If you have any doubt, call me on WhatsApp, send me on the personal window. I'll easily solve it. And we had already done exercise 9.1 in the class only we'll be discussing. So here I'm ending the first part of this chapter 9.